Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. Today is Wednesday, July 28th, 2010, and like we do every Wednesday night, here's an ETF alert for you. Check it out. Okay, before we get started, someone asked me to have a look at FOS and the daily financial bear 3x shares, and you got to remember this is a uh, high leverage situation, so you could suffer slippage here. But all in all, it makes sense to me from the chart perspective. You do have some nice buy volume off the low point here, signaling a reversal point here, and now you're pulling back down on low volume. Makes perfect sense to me. You could still pull back lower if the markets go higher. Keep that in mind. But yes, this does make sense to me. I can see what you're looking at here. I can see why you got your support lines here, and the more support you got, the better. And let's go ahead and gosh, right there. It's all perfectly good. All right. So lots of support at this area. So right now you're not very far from that. But if you got to pull back down here, it'd be a lot better. Okay, a lot better. But still, it's pretty nice. You got a gap here. Just got to fill. Got a gap here. Just got to fill. So that makes perfect sense. And I understand why you're buying it. Okay. 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 I think it's that time again. I want to load up on QID. I like it. Ticker symbol is QID. Pro shares ultra short QQQ, and I like it from a long perspective. It makes sense to me. I would also like it even more if it fell even lower. My stop would be at 15.11, 1 cent below the 15.12 low. I'd be buying it at 17.05 or higher if at all possible. We've got a gap here that's got to fill, a big gap, and another one up here, I believe. So keep that in mind as well. Look for a test of this point up here at the 20 level. Basically, you've seen consistent uh, series of new highs overall, and I want to be looking for this move back up here. This previous support line that broke down, we broke above that 2036, so we hit 2043, 2093. So we actually should find ourselves forming a support at this level. So we should be able to move up here slowly, surely, whatever habit wants to do it, and we'll end up finding support at this level. So keep that in mind. That's my overall view. You'll also notice we're oversold on the slow stotch, which is what you want to be looking for if you're looking for an opportunity to go long, and you've got a nice buy volume behind the initial advance, turning this guy from a bear trend to a bull trend. Okay, it makes perfect sense to me. Where would you set the stop? Like I said, I put it at 15.11, 1 cent below this low. But if you don't like that much stop, you could actually set it at 16 at 19, 1 cent below this low. Okay, be another method, less stop, but you higher probability of being stopped out of here. Okay, so it's your call. And the exit point, like I said, you could do either the middle Bollinger Band line or the next time the slow stotch pulls up and hits the 80 line. Okay? Okay. If you've not been to our free website at perfectstockalert.com, it's 100% free. It's right there. All we ask in return, refer a friend. Also, subscribe to the YouTube channel or we'll hit you with a stick. God bless. Enjoy the evening. Let's have a look at our disclaimer. The disclaimer. Read it and weep. Take care. See you tomorrow.